What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video let's talk about the all new upcoming Xiaomi Band 7 Pro. Now this is an upgraded version and first time Xiaomi is launching its Band Pro series in its Xiaomi Band and Mi Band, which we say in India, and that is really something new from Xiaomi. Now this band will be coming with a different approach and it will be having a larger display of 1.62 inch of an AMOLED display, and it will be more of a rectangular type than a pill shaped cutout earlier we have seen in the earlier iterations of the Mi Band series. Now the band will also support up to 50 days of longer battery life support, which is ideally 2 weeks of battery life which Xiaomi gives, and the band generally ran for around 10 days easily on heavy usage. The Band 7 Pro will indeed be a water resistant, so you can take that band for a swim too. But if you are wondering about the price of the Xiaomi Band 7 Pro or the Mi Band 7 Pro, then the Mi Band 7 Pro is expected to be launching around 500 yuan in China, which converts the pricing around to be near to the pricing around to be of 6,000 rupees, which converts directly, which is not ideally logically, because at 5,000 to 6,000 rupees we generally see a lot of smartwatches which are indeed a proper smartwatches at this price bracket. But we can expect this smart band to be launching it around to be at 4,000 rupees in India. And not only that, if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.